we'll be discussing about Vapi for workflows. You have to just log into the system in the first place. After that, you have to find for the API keys. You will find them there. After that, you have to head towards your platform. In the side navigation bar, you have to find for Leveler Marketplace, search for Vapi, install it first. After that, it's up to you, like if you want it on the agency level or on the location levels. So we will be installing it on the agency level. Allow for both if you want it. Proceed. In a moment, it will be updating you with that it's installed. Yeah, here we got it. After that, let's suppose we will be choosing the location Ali. And into the location Ali, we will be first heading towards the app configuration. Search for Vapi for workflows. Copy paste your API keys. Submit. It succeed. After that, you have to head over towards the automations. Start from scratch. So right now we will be just creating the workflows, just to set an example right now. Search for Vapi. Click on here and then find for Vapi. So this is Vapi here. Yeah, yeah, we can just create an assistant right now. Let's use this for example. Save this. And after that, just create notes here. There are workflows, and we will be creating actions for Vapi. You can find for Vapi, and after that, you have to just create assistants in the first place. After that, you can choose for language. We are just setting an example right now. Save this action, create notes here. Here you can find for Vapi, create assistant ID. Let's suppose we are naming it Ali. And after that, we will be creating other action for Vapi. Update assistant. Here we will be choosing create notes again. Update assistants ID again. And after that, we will be again creating an action which is provided by Vapi. delete assistance. There you can see create notes again. So delete, let's name it Ali. Save action. Save it first. Test your workflows. And after that, we will be heading towards the execution logs. You can refresh it. Here you can see it's processing right now. It is the last action we had created. So let's just check it. So after that, it is taking a while to just. Here you can see in the notes right here, it is created, updated, and deleted. And hope you like it right now. Thank you so much.